Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a Smart Lesson task.
Setting a task can be done in a couple of different ways. The easiest way is via the Tasks tab at the top of your dashboard. Here you will see any current or upcoming tasks that you have set for your students. Click Assign a new task. 3 options will appear: a Smart Lesson, pre-built vocabulary, spelling or numeracy lists, or a peer review task. For now, we are going to assign a Smart Lesson. A Smart Lesson is a scaffolded lesson that provides numerous opportunities for students to learn, including information slides, quick answer questions presented in different and interactive ways, and long answer questions that will help extend their understanding. The first step is to select what class you would like to assign this lesson to. By clicking Assign to specific students, you can select or deselect students accordingly. Clicking on What will automatically open our content library, where you can select as many lessons as you like. The Preview button allows you to review the content before you assign it to your students. To differentiate, there is the option to select sections of the lesson by clicking Assign Specific Sections. In another video, I will show you some examples of how this feature can be utilised within your classroom. Confirming the selection will provide an estimated completion time for students, after which the quantity of content can be edited. The final step is to name your task accordingly and add instructions to assist your students. Our due dates will automatically be set for a week, so change these according to your needs. You can also allow late submissions for the following week by clicking here. The live feed can be disabled or enabled, and we'll review that function in the next video. EP Dash is a short gamified version of what the students have just learned. This is a tool that you can use to help consolidate students' learning and can be disabled if not required. Optional settings at the bottom allow you to make this a revision or a learning task. For review, you can email yourself a completion report or email the students or the appearance about the task. You can also disable question timers and students sending cheers to each other throughout the task. Click Assign Task and your task is ready to go. Within these task settings, you have the ability to copy the direct task link and send it to your students, or share it to the Google Classroom. You can also message the students and reset their passwords straight from here. The Details tab on the left allows you to edit most components of the task once it has been set.
Thank you for watching our Setting a Smart Lesson task tutorial. Remember to reach out to an EP expert if you have any questions or feedback.